So in this video, I'm gonna show you how to enable holiday mode in Vinted in 2025. If you're going on holiday and you won't be able to send items that someone buys, you can enable that holiday mode so buyer will be notified that that item may be delivered with a little latency. And to do it, go to Profile, then go to Holiday Mode. Now you can enable Hide My Items, and that will basically hide your items so people won't be able to buy from you. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.